here's a way. Here's a way that you can get a free. But if you don't have Gorillas hat, you have to pay $20 off Steam. But anyways, here's how you get a free soundboard. So what you're going to do is go ahead and download VoiceMod. Search it up in your bar, whatever your search bar, whatever app, and then you're gonna go ahead and sign in. Once you're signed in, I already have a sign in account because I do it every day. You're just gonna go ahead and it's gonna pop you up on like this, whatever. There's like a lot of sounds. As you can see, hold on. Um, so if you're on Steam, so the first option you're gonna want to have you're gonna want to have microphone, Steam streaming microphone, whatever microphone you have for Steam, and then the headphones, speakers, Steam stream speakers. No, actually, it's speakers, streaming microphone. Because if you want other people to hear it, and then you have to put it on this one. Just want to hear it, and then you have to do it. So look, we have a gun. We have look. Hold on. It says there. I honestly don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't work in there. Maybe it starts with this one. Anyways, I'm about to put it on this one so I can hear it. Yeah, I can hear it. I can hear it.
Clean up the town and make a place. I had a little body saving me. If you clean up the waterway,
I just going gorilla. I just troll it. It's not even trolling. I like to do Daisy 09. I like to play King Von. In public lobbies because all the people like it. And that's just like very loud. So don't put it at 100. Max 50. Stop other sounds. And then if you don't want other sounds like playing, if you already played something, you're gonna go over here where it looks like, and then it says loop and all that, and it says you're gonna stop other sounds so you don't like have all the songs playing at once. That's what I just did. It would. Maybe. You can play that in public lobbies, and yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna get like that, so yeah.